guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be trying 5 different nail art DIYs that I found from Pinterest, and I am going to see if they actually work. So I am not like a huge, really great nail artist or anything, so some of the ones that I try and they don't work might actually work for you guys if you guys are better at nail art than I am. So yeah, anyways, let's get into the video. And there also might be one bonus one at the end that I just thought of that's not from Pinterest. Okay, so I have my water with me, and then I have a pretty big selection of nail polish. I guess you just like wait for it to drop in there, I think. Oh. it just like dissolve. Here is what I'm going to dip my nail in. I guess I'll just go for it. I hope this works. Oh my gosh. So this is what it looks like when I first took it out. I hope it's not blurry. Okay, so here is what it looks like now. Definitely not what I was going for, but it did work out, kind of. So I'm gonna try again with some different colors. Just trying to use a pencil to kind of make it more marbly. Oh, that kind of looks cool. Okay, so this actually looks really cool. I know, like, my nail polish is like all over my finger and stuff, but besides that, I think it looks really cool and way better than this one. This one, I think, is gonna be a lot easier and will work out a lot better than the last one. So I'm just gonna start with painting my nails. I'll do 2 of them. I'll paint them white, and then I'll show you what I'm doing next. Okay, so for this one, you need to make sure that your first coat, which is the white for me, is completely dry since we'll be using tape. So I'm just gonna put the tape on part of my nail. This is gonna be so satisfying when I take the tape off. Yay! It looks pretty good. So for this one, I will start with painting my nails a matte gray. While the gray is drying, I am going to show you a few things I can make dots with that I found. So I found just a random pencil I don't really care about. And then I can use the tip of a bobby pin. And I can use a pin, like this type of pin. Okay, so here it is. As you can see, the smallest one, which was with the pinpoint, didn't really make a perfect circle, but Other than that, I kind of like this, and I don't think I really need to try again. I think I did pretty well, so I'm just going to move on to the next one. For this one, I'm going to start with painting my nails purple. I'll just do what it says with this gold copper color. Yeah, it's copper. And by the way, I will like link all these pins down below so you can look at like their directions and try to do them and stuff like that. And then I'll take some saran wrap and just put it over the nail. Okay, actually, I think I was supposed to let the purple dry, maybe. It looks horrible right now, so I guess I'll try again. Okay, so this time I'm going to do it and let the purple nail polish dry. Let's try this again. I'm just gonna do some random little dots like it told me to do. Put a piece of saran wrap over it. Pinterest one looks a lot better. This is the last one that is from Pinterest. So now it is dry, and basically I'm doing the same thing I did with the other dotted one, except I'm using a Q-tip and it's going to go at the top of my nail. Okay, so this is my first attempt at it. I think it looks okay. You know what, actually I think I'm just gonna use this part of the pin, and I think that will make it look better. Okay, so here's what my second try looks like. I feel like it could look better. Like if I tried a few more nails and I just practiced a little bit more, I think it could make it look better, but it definitely looks better than this one. Okay, so this last one I just thought of. I didn't find it from Pinterest or anything, but this is just kind of a bonus one I wanted to try. I don't even know if it's gonna work, but I'm just gonna start with painting my nail white. My white nail polish is dry, so my idea is to just make the brush of whatever color you want pretty, like just wipe it on the edges and just get most of the nail polish off. Kind of just brush it on your nail. Okay, here it is. I think it would look pretty good if I went over it with a clear coat of nail polish so it would look smoother, but I think the colors look really cool together. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and like I said, I will link down below all of the nail ideas I got from this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye!